Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bloodloop token. Ticker symbol for this token is BLS. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange June 10th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that the BLS token from Bloodloop will be listed June 10th at 9 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So one way to get this token would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC at gate.io and open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search BLS, the ticker symbol, after it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I'm sure there's going to be more central exchange listings announced and other places to get the token. If you follow their socials, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen. They're at Bloodloop Game. As it gets closer to June 10th, I'm sure you're going to see a lot more central exchange listing announcements pop up there. So if Gate is not available in your country, just stay tuned, follow the socials, and you'll be able to see more listings. They also have a Telegram, which is at Join Bloodloop, that has 27,389 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's another great place to see updates regarding this project. And their Twitter also has 212,700 Twitter followers, gold verified checkmark, 1,530 posts. It says they are backed by Avax and Merit Circle. So what is Bloodloop? It says Bloodloop is the first 5v5 hero shooter built leveraging Web3 technology. I used to play it was anywhere from a 5v5 to, I believe, 8v8 game called Soldier Front. If you guys remember that game, it was similar to Call of Duty and Counter-Strike. So it says, built and thought of as a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3, Bloodloop utilizes the potential of the blockchain without making it an obstacle for non-crypto native users, leveraging a custom blockchain based on Avalanche subnets to remove any friction points and a series of tailored plugins to make the user experience smooth. The gameplay is the center of development, full of unique USPs and dynamics. Gamers will have fun, and thanks to complementary economic systems, they can provide real value for their time and skills. Whether you want to play strategic 5v5 battles and learn the team synergies of each character's skills, compete in all confrontations, or climb the leaderboards with competitive matches, Bloodloop will amaze you. So, it says, what is the game like? It says it's set in a dystopian future where factions control. Bloodloop unleashes a relentless combat system where teams of skilled heroes clash in epic showdowns. Each hero possesses unique abilities, allowing players to adopt various playstyles and strategic approaches. With its stunning visuals, adrenaline-pumping battles, and a focus on teamwork and skill, Bloodloop delivers an addictive and thrilling gaming experience for fans of the genre. Whether engaging in fierce firefights, executing precise maneuvers, or unleashing devastating abilities, players will find themselves immersed in a relentless world of combat. So they have here the heroes' basic information. It says, in the captivating allure of Bloodloop, players are transported to the dystopian future as the three factions control the stunning world with aesthetics that are distinct and characteristics to prevent the devastating destruction of the world they seek to conquer. The factions have ingeniously devised a solution, the implementation of the Bloodloop. This virtual space zone serves as the battleground for their conflicts, where the laws of time and gravity can be manipulated or controlled. So within the Bloodloop, the factions send the heroes, elite warriors representing their respective ideologies and powers, to engage in fierce combat. By containing the battles within these realms, the factions can unleash their full might and strategic prowess without endangering the fragile remnants of the planet. It's kind of like Mortal Kombat, where they go to the, the outer world or other world or something? I forget, I haven't played that in a while. The Bloodloop becomes a crucible of skill and tactics, where heroes clash, employing their unique abilities and exploiting the malleable nature of this domain. It is within these arenas that the fate of the factions and the world itself is determined, as they vie for supremacy and seek to shape the destiny of the planet they yearn to conquer. So it says the tokenomics here, it's based on a dynamic economic system built on our subnet of the Avalanche network. Our tokenomics is focused on creating a thriving and dynamic gaming economic ecosystem where all players have the opportunity to provide real value to their skill and time spent interacting with the game mechanics. The total token supply is 350 million tokens, and this is a fixed supply. The token will never be subject to inflation. On the contrary, the game mechanics associated with crafting and tournaments provide deflationary mechanics that absorb tokens from circulation over time. So BLS is the cornerstone of the Bloodloop video game universe. You could use it for gaming, primary in-game currency for crafting and user trading, governance, DAO voting, power and ecosystem gas token, incentives, so player incentives through airdrops for retention and onboarding, IP and grants, brand growth through IP-related products and creator grants. So total supply, 350 million tokens. We got 2.29% going to angel round, 10.39% of the tokens go to seed round, 5% private, 1.4% community private, 1.7% public, 0.7% KOLs, 12% team, 2% advisors, 16.7% crafting incentives, 23.68% ecosystem rewards, 13% ecosystem fund, 5.7% DAO, 4% marketing, 0.9% airdrops, and 0.4% to the NFT holders. So you can check out the vesting schedule. You can check out their NFTs. You can learn more about the gameplay, their socials. They have a Discord, Twitter, Telegram. If you go over to bloodloop.com, you'll find all the things I just mentioned, plus a full white paper over there. And I would follow their Twitter here to see more updates regarding token listings and whatnot. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.